Ever wondered what makes your product or service stand out? Why do customers choose your business over others? The answer lies in a three-letter acronym, USP or unique selling proposition. This is the factor or consideration presented by a seller as the reason that one product or service is different from and better than that of the competition. But how does one go about developing a USP? Let's dive into it, shall we? The first step is to understand your business inside out. This might seem like an obvious point, but you'd be surprised at how many businesses don't have a clear grasp of their own strengths and weaknesses. Look at your business from every angle. What are your strengths? What areas could use improvement? Next, identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? What are their needs, wants, and preferences? The more you know about your target audience, the better you can tailor your USP to appeal to them. Now that you have a good understanding of your business and your target audience, it's time to study your competition. What are they doing right? Where are they falling short? Knowing your competition will allow you to differentiate your business and create a USP that truly stands out. With all this information in hand, you're ready to craft your USP. Remember, your USP should be something that your competition can't offer. It should be unique, compelling, and speak directly to the needs and wants of your target audience. Once you've developed your USP, it's not enough to just sit back and hope that your customers will notice it. You need to communicate it clearly and consistently across all your marketing channels. To recap, developing a USP involves understanding your business, identifying your target audience, studying your competition, crafting your USP, and communicating it effectively. Remember, your USP is what sets you apart from the competition. It's what makes you unique. It's what makes you, you. So go forth and create a USP that truly represents your business and appeals to your target audience. And always remember to keep your USP at the forefront of your marketing efforts. And that's a wrap! Come back for more financial insights and tips like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.